Let's get started today, class. Today we will have a new class for Codesys protocols, and it's for communicating between our AC60 and Wecon HMI. Before starting our new classes, let me share Codesys software first. Because when many people finish their homework, but there's some problems in their PLC and Wecon. When they download PLC program, and there will be a firmware problems. This is because their PLC firmware is so low, and so it is more convenient to accomplish after course in Codesys for you. So you can download Codesys and use Codesys to accomplish homework directly. Okay, there is a link for download Codesys. You must download 3 parts: Codesys software and Codesys package and configuration tool. Configuration tool is for detecting 6C in your PC. Okay. Next part is how to use after download Codesys and how to use Codesys. We must install Codesys package. Okay, first we must download Codesys package and enter Codesys screen. We click Tools and open Package Manager. And in Package Manager, we can see there is a install option. Click Install and install Codesys package. After that, you can restart Codesys and you can use the Codesys normally. In this Codesys part, do you have any problem? If you don't have any problem, we will get started our new classes. Okay, this is our new part today. We will introduce Codesys protocols in Wecon. We must set 2 ports, Wecon and PI Studio. Let me talk about Wecon first. Because today class is so simple, so I will share you how to create PLC program from blank program to download program. The first, we create a new project and select standard project. Rename your PLC program and location. Location is very important. We will use location in PI Studio, so we will set your PLC project in a clear location. And step 2, select your PLC series and programming language. In programming language, our AC can support many programming language. Normally, we can select LD. And, and then you can create a new simple program for your PLC project. In this video, in this picture, we can see there is a 1 byte address and the function block. Add function block, and we must name our registers of function block. This name we can named by ourselves. So this is like verticals. Okay, after accomplish our program, and we must add simple configurations. Okay, right click applications and add object to add simple configurations, and it will display this screen. We can rename our simple configurations, and in following part we can use the default setting. Okay, the last step is to generate XAML file. We can click compile to generate a XAML file, and after generate in your PLC program location, there will be a XAML file here, and double click and open with Not. There will be address we create before. Okay, that's all step in Wecon. Do you have any problem? We can look a video I made today. In this part, because in this part we can check. I click this display all versions in updated device. This is because my Wecon is so latest, and it will support 20 versions as default, but my PLC not support 20 versions, so I must change to 19 version. And the next part we will display how to program in your project. We can see there are some address of some function block here. We can drag them by our mouse. of right click to add address or function block to. Name our registers and click enter. We will see there will be auto decline. We can select address type here. Okay, after add simple configurations, we can click compile option, and there will be program in simple screen. And the list is fail. This is location fail. I store it. So we can see there is a thumbnail fail in this location fail. Okay, this is all configuration in Wecon. Do you have any problem? Please repeat this last. Do you mean generate thumbnail fail? We can look the video again. Okay, right click applications and add object to add simple configuration. This is our if we must import our variables. Okay, after create new simple configurations, we can click compile directly. Okay. In generally, after you compiled, you have done all configurations in Wecon. In this video, because I forget to name my function block, so there will be an error. So in this video, I back to program and rename my function block and compiled again. Okay. So after compiling program, there will be XAML file in my local file. Do you have any question in this part? I will share my video and point power after class. So next start. Let's get start. PI Studio setting. Okay. The step one is to create project and select Codesys. Select Codesys with 3 protocols. And step 2, set PLC IP here. Or you can, if you use the static HMI IP, you can set HMI IP here. But if you want to change the HMI IP, when we download HMI program, we must use USB cable to download. If you use the internet cable, HMI IP will be not changed. We must note the point. The step 3 is to import simple configurations. Click label manager and import tags from files. And this is XAML file we create just now. And open file. There will be variables we create in PLC program. After importing, I have a video too. Okay. This part we must import Codesys free tags here, and there will be all variables we create just now. After that, you can input variables in HMI address. Okay, this is all HMI setting and the PLC setting. After that, we can compare them and download HMI.
Hello. Hello everyone. It is yes.
不是，我还没好啊，你等一下。After 我现在有声音吗，黄涵？
有了。
哦，after this is all function. This is all setting in HMI and PLC. So we can compile programs and download into HMI and PLC. Can you see my screen? 屏幕有画面吗？OK, sorry. So back to HMI setting. Import library variables in HMI and add library variables in HMI address. So after this is all setting in PLC and HMI, so we can compile programs and download programs into HMI and PLC. So next part, I will display communication between AC60 and HMI. Get start PLC and run PLC. So I will display lane monitoring in HMI. We can control PLC address in HMI screen and run the function block.